I love watching the World Cups. Um,
Oh, and this tournament will be in Russia.
yes, Russia, and I've seen the pools look good, so some good games coming. Um, yeah.
You think who will be win?
Um, I think if I had to say right now, I would think Germany has the best chance of winning. Germany are playing very good football at the moment.
Oh
Um,
yes, and Germany won Confederation Cup 2017.
yes. So it's Germany are playing very well. Brazil also very dangerous. Um, but maybe I know Argentina have not been playing well right now, but this is probably Messi's last World Cup, so maybe they pull off a miracle and win the cup for Messi, maybe.
But Messi 30 years old, and Messi maybe play 4 years later.
Maybe, yeah, when he is 34, maybe.
And
Um,
I think Ronaldo will be finish this
yeah,
World Cup.
yeah, this will be his last.